Investigation 21.1 starts the properties of light. It starts with students investigating this setup where you've got your graph laminated paper, card sitting there, and for all you guys know, on this little mirror, that's all that there is. But obviously if you rearrange this, you can look behind the piece of paper and you see, hey, there's a red cap there. And I think the main purpose for these various activities where it has the students investigating this is that with this graph paper, students can visualize kind of, okay, that's the path that light had to take, and they can draw that out here on the graph paper and then convert that over to their own sketches to see how light interacts. You can see now I see the reflection going on there. So that's the first one that they start off with and investigate that, which is pretty standard, but again, you want to start somewhere. The next one has students take a note card. I just ripped some paper, and I'll fold it in half. On one side, you're gonna put A and B, just like this, and then you'll get out the prism out of your kit. And you're gonna put that prism into the corner, but not using the right angle. Use the sharper angles. And I'll show you what this looks like. Let me find here. You can see right now I'm viewing A. When I look into it, even though A is up on top, it's getting reflected and refracted inside. And you'll see that as you shift, here we go, shift this way, whoop, turn to B. And that's actually a pretty cool little phenomena right there, how that shifts. And so it has them draw what's the angles going on with A, what's the angles going on with B, and trying to sort all that out for that part of the lab. That's pretty much it in terms of the actual lab part of it. Then it goes into the speed of light, talking about how fast that is and having them calculate, like, well, if it's that fast, then how long does it take it to get from the sun? And they should find that. I think it's about 8 minutes. Yep. Distance from the earth to the sun. And so students can investigate, how light travels and all that. That's a pretty simple lab, just a couple setups, but it does introduce the students and yourself to this light kit. All right, that is 21.1.